Light-eyed beauty Aishwarya Rai Bachchan was at the Sion Hospital on December 1, 2012 as a part of her role as the Goodwill Ambassador for UNAIDS on AIDS Day. The actress, who said that she does not want to be just a poster girl for the organization, was present at the function to help raise awareness on the disease. One of the few and rare appearances of Ash post the birth of her daughter Aradhya. Check out Aishwarya's opinion on AIDS.
The numbers have come down considerably by the latest statistics, and it tells me that that's a very, very positive sign. In fact, the program in India has been recognized as a success, which is very, very encouraging to hear. So the first step, पहला step है अपने आप को टेस्ट करवाना. दूसरा step है ट्रीटमेंट लेना, क्योंकि ट्रीटमेंट मिलेगा, ट्रीटमेंट है, तो उसको एक्सेस करना, उसको लेना आपका जिम्मेदारी बनता है. सो ये मैसेज लोगों तक पहुंचना बहुत ज़रूरी है और यहाँ आप लोगों का रोल आता है एज मेंबर्स ऑफ द मीडिया. वन ऑफ द मेन रीजंस व्हाई आई एम हियर इज़ टू डू दैट, बट आई कैन ओनली डू दैट थ्रू यू ऑल, बिकॉज सिटिंग हियर through you I can reach millions of people out there, not just women, men. So the message is very simple. The treatment is there, दवाई है, उसे आप ले सकते हैं और इससे बच्चे जो इस दुनिया में आने वाले हैं और आने के बाद भी जब माएँ अपने बच्चों को दूध पिला रही हैं तब भी उस ट्रीटमेंट को जारी रखना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है. We can have an entire generation born free of HIV. ऐसे मुमकिन है कि आगे आने वाली पीढ़ी HIV से कम्प्लीटली मुक्त हो सकती है, मुक्त रह सकती है, जहाँ तक डिलीवरी, प्रेगनेंसी, कमिंग इनटू दिस वर्ल्ड, children being born. I've been lending my voice to the cause of HIV and AIDS for a very long time now. So I'm sure the timing seemed perfect. I am a new mother, and it seemed the perfect time to be actually. So it's a natural fit. But for me, it would have been a natural fit 10 years ago. It would be a natural fit 20 years ahead, because it's an important mission that I think we're all here on for society at large. And I'm happy to lend my voice, irrespective of the fact that I am a new mother or not.